So today we are going to learn about how the switches or the sockets work in our house. So how is the socket? The typical picture of the socket is as like this. So we know that the cross section of this is greater than the cross section of these other things, right? So why is the cross section of this greater, and even this cross section is greater and this is smaller? Okay, so how I'll answer this question, that why it is so. This is the first question that I'm going to answer. Okay, then how can you test whether which is the live thing and which is the neutral thing? How can you test that? You can test that simply by having a tester in your house. When you test through these holes, the when the tester glows, that means that the current is present in that hole. That means that terminal is having the current, and we can say that is a live terminal. And another through which terminal the current is not flowing, that is called as a neutral terminal. Okay, this is a neutral terminal and this is a live terminal. Okay, and this terminal is called as an earth terminal. This is called as an earth terminal. Okay, so I have got here to show you how this terminal look like. So this is live terminal. You can test, any of these terminals can be live. The terminal to which the live wire is connected, from here you can get the connections. The terminal to which the live wire is connected will become your live terminal. If the live wire is connected here, this will be your live terminal. If it is connected here, this will be your live terminal. So you have to test it through the tester. Okay, so the one is your live, another is a neutral, and third terminal is your earth terminal. So we can see here that this earth terminal, as I have shown here, has a greater cross section as compared to other four terminals, right? So what is the use of that? I'm going to answer it right now. This is the pin that goes into this socket, right? Like this, right? So through this pin, we can see that this pin, the earth terminal, is cross section as compared to other two, as well as the length of the earth terminals. The length of this pin of earth terminal is also longer as compared to these two. So why it is longer and why the other two terminals are short? That also question I'm going to answer you today. Okay. So what happens as when you connect this? So this is the wire of the laptop I have taken. When I connect this to the switch, the current will start, and you switch on the switch, the current will start flowing. Okay, and it will go to the load. So I have connected here. I have connected the switch here. That means a live wire and a neutral wire. This wire together are connected to your load. Okay, I am showing the load as an inductor here. Okay, they are connected to the load. Some load here. Okay, so what happens? The current will start flowing. Okay, the current will enter. Current will come here. It will flow through the live. It will go through the load and come back and have its journey back through the neutral. So if suppose this neutral, what is the use of this neutral? Did you understand that if this neutral is not present, then what will happen? What will happen? Will the current get the return path back to the supply? No. Will the circuit be complete? No. So that the circuit gets completed, we are having neutral in this circuit. Okay. The main purpose of this neutral is that to have this circuit completed. Okay. This is the main purpose of the neutral. Also, the live terminal. This is live terminal and this is your neutral terminal. Suppose. So this neutral terminal has a voltage which is maintained to the voltage of the ground, What is the voltage of ground? What is ground voltage? It is 0 volts. So this neutral voltage is made approximately equal to 0 volts. And what is the live terminal? Live terminal is at a higher temperature. In India, it is around 230 volts. In India, it is around 230 volts. So the potential difference between these live and neutral terminals, how much it is? 230 minus 0, right? V2 minus V1, what is it? V2 minus V1, 230 minus 0 volts, that is how much? that is equal to 230 volts. So there is a potential difference of around 230 volts. Okay, and the current gets flowed due to this potential difference. Wherever there is a potential difference, the current flows. Okay, and from where the current will flow? Why the current flows only through the neutral and then returns only through the live and then returns through neutral? Why is it so? We know that the current always flow from higher potential to the lower potential, right? So here also the live is at higher potential, so the current will enter from the live and then it will return back through the neutral terminal. Okay, now suppose in case this device has a fault present. Okay, this device has a fault present in it. While installing, suppose these two wires will get connected to the live terminal and the neutral terminal in the device. Okay, now suppose there is a fault in this apparatus. Suppose there is a fault in this apparatus while installing, and the live terminal, the insulation of the wire here gets spoiled away. Then what will happen? This live wire will come in direct contact with the metal casing of this apparatus, right? What will happen? This live wire will come in direct contact with the metal casing of the apparatus. Okay, so if anyone during this condition, if this condition arrives and anyone is in direct contact with this apparatus, he will experience an electric shock. Okay, he will experience what? An electric shock. Why? Because the insulation of this wire is damaged and it is coming in direct contact with this casing, and the metal is good conductor of electricity, right? So he or she will get what? Shock, because this metal casing is carrying electric current, right? Because its insulation is damaged. So as to avoid, what can we do to avoid this? To avoid this, we are having a third terminal in the switch, that is called as an earth terminal. That is called as an earth terminal. Okay. So what happens? There are some basic color combinations in India. The live wire is usually red color, the neutral wire is black color, and the one with green color is the earth wire. So this earth, what will happen is that this earth wire, we are having a third connection, that is the earth wire, which is directly connected to what? It is directly connected to the casing of the equipment. It is directly connected to the casing of the equipment, so that if any current flows, if there is an insulation damage or anything and the current flows through the casing of the equipment, then it will directly get connected to where? It will get connected to the earth terminal, and this he or she will not get shocked. So what happens is that so as to avoid for him or her to get shocked, this earth terminal is connected directly to the casing of the equipment, and the current, whatever current was flowing due to the fault, it will go to the earth terminal. Where is this earth terminal connected then? From where the fault current, whichever is arriving here, which is a huge current, where does this go? Where does this go? This earth is directly connected to where? It is directly connected to the ground. It is connected where? It is connected to ground, right? So the current, which is the fault current, which is present in this casing, will directly get connected to the earth, and which is connected to the ground. So it will directly get grounded. This current will directly get grounded. Now here I have another question which arises in my mind, is that why is the cross section of this greater? Why is the cross section of this greater, which I had asked you before? Then what is the reason? I have told you that this is the fault current. The fault current is what? It is 10 to 15 times greater than that of the normal current which is arising. So the amount of this current is greater, so it should have a greater cross section, right? So that it can travel through that medium. So this cross section is greater. Why it is greater? Because the fault current is greater than your regular current. So this cross section is greater. Okay. And also I have told you one thing, that this earth pin has a longer length as compared to the other two pins. Why it is so? It is so because whenever you switch this plug into the socket, what will happen? First, which pin will get inserted? This earth pin will get inserted, right? And these two pins will get inserted later. So what will happen due to this? First, as this pin is getting inserted first, it will ensure that first the equipment is grounded and then the earth live and the neutral wire is connected to the equipment, right? So first it will ensure that the human is in the safe condition. Okay, so in order to ensure the safety of the human, the length of this pin is greater as compared to this, so that what happens, due to this pin, as this pin is longer, what will happen? First the equipment will get grounded. First the equipment, this casing of the equipment will get connected to the ground, and after that the live and the neutral connections will be given to the equipment. Okay, so this is the basic flow of current